So what's really at the heart of Jupiter? Let's dive into this incredible cosmic mystery.
For years, we thought we had it figured out, but the truth is way stranger. The old story was pretty simple, a solid, marble-like core made of just rock and metal. This was the textbook theory, called core accretion, a nice, neat story for how Jupiter was born.
And then, the plot twist. NASA's Juno spacecraft arrived in 2016, ready to look beneath the clouds. Juno measured Jupiter's gravity with insane precision, and what it found? Well, it changed absolutely everything. So the old solid core idea, it just didn't match what Juno was seeing at all, which led scientists to call it a fuzzy core. So what on earth does that even mean? Basically, there's no sharp edge. The heavy stuff from the core is all mixed into the layers above. Okay, so how does a core get fuzzy? Well, one idea involves a seriously violent collision. The theory? A huge object slammed into a young Jupiter, shattering and mixing up its original core.
And get this, Jupiter might not be the only one. Saturn seems to have a fuzzy core too.
So why is this such a big deal? Because it totally redefines how we think gas giants form. It just makes you wonder, what other big cosmic truths are just waiting to be shattered?